Hi unicorns, welcome back to my channel. My name is Enshlie. If you're new here, welcome. I highly recommend you subscribe to this channel if you're into skincare because that's what we're doing today. And I also do makeup tutorials, beauty videos, reviews, and more. So why not subscribe and hit the bell notification button when you subscribe. That way you get a notification every time that I post. Give this video a thumbs up just because you're watching, and I'm gonna leave a secret emoji right here. So I've had makeup on for about 8 to 9 hours, I would say. I was doing a foundation review on the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and I will have that up on this channel very soon. But I really want to take off my makeup now because it's been way too long, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that on camera with you. First thing we're taking off are our lashes. And as per usual, I'm using the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. I always use 2 pumps of this. And then I'm using my makeup eraser to remove all of this. Okay, so it got really messy and I had to go and rinse off the rest of the oil in my sink. So I'm actually going to review something today that I've never reviewed on this channel, and I just probably showed you guys. I'm reviewing the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, and this is actually an older product, but I guess they did a new packaging on it. I remember the older product was like see-through. So this is really good because it has salicylic, lactic, and glycolic acid. All of these help polish away dull, dry skin without irritating your skin, and it reveals a smoother texture and brighter, younger looking complexion. So I really like that because I have acne, and with that comes a lot of texture, a lot of bumps, a lot of weird things. So the fact that this has all the acids, I really like that because acids work better on my skin type. Like the benzoyl peroxide doesn't work as well as salicylic acid would. So I'm really excited to review this for you guys. I have actually already tried it once because I don't know if you guys have watched my video, but I did mention in another video that I don't like to come on here and like show you products that don't work because I feel like that's such a waste of time. So whatever I show on this channel, if it's not a first impression and I don't like it, then everything else I'm gonna like, because I don't want to come on here and recommend things that are just bad. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, and what I like about this is it's a huge product. It brings 6.75 fluid ounces and you only need a very small amount. It does have little beads in it, so I'll show you guys right now. And you need literally that much. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my skin. They say not to exfoliate on acne because it helps spread the acne even more, but when I use this, it actually didn't break me out at all, and it doesn't feel that harsh. Like, it might look harsh right now because my skin is pretty much dry, and I don't know where my Evian spray is. Like, I've been looking for it everywhere, but I wish I had it right now so I can show you like what it really looked like. I actually got some water in a bowl so I can like actually show you guys what this looks like. You see, it does lather up, because I know you guys are gonna ask me and you guys get mad when you don't see if a product lathers up. As usual, I will be hopping in the shower and removing this, but I'm glad you guys got to see the lathering part of this video because everyone wants to know, you know? And eventually the micro beads, they kind of like go away because I don't feel them anymore, which is actually pretty cool. Always try to wash your face for over 30 seconds. I would say like maybe a minute or 2 would be nice, just so you know that you're getting in there and removing everything. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and I'll be right back. My face is kind of going through it, but we're gonna fix that too towards the end. Final review on the Murad exfoliating cleanser. I actually really love it. Like I mentioned earlier, it cleaned out my face and it made my face really smooth without necessarily breaking me out. So I really enjoy this, and I actually recommend that you guys get it. Otherwise, I would not be here talking about it. So if you're interested in a glowy look on your face and you have a lot of texture, a lot of gunk in your pores, that's gonna help you and it's gonna remove that for you. Go ahead and put on a face mask, and I'm using the Hello Kitty Cream Shop face mask, and this is just a sheet mask. It's a Ready Set Glow mask. It's so cute. I mean, I'm a huge Hello Kitty fan. Like, hello, you guys have seen her before. So I grew up with everything in my room Hello Kitty, like everything head to toe Hello Kitty. If you knew me, you knew me. This has 24 karat gold, and that helps to promote glowing skin, and then the hyaluronic acid, which is for intense hydration, which is definitely what I need right now. I love these masks because they all have like a cute design on them, and it has Hello Kitty everywhere. But you guys will see that right now. Let me just try to get my life together really quick. So it looks like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it. This is what it looks like, and you see what I was telling you guys about how cute the little designs are. Like, it has little bows, Hello Kitty's face, a little perfume, her name, a little brush. I love it. I just love it. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off and continue my routine, and I'm gonna show you how I get rid of all my bumps in one night. So I've been watching for the past 15 minutes La Platica, which is Sebas and I Love Sarai, aka Karen. They have like a little podcast thing. It's actually Sebas, but she comes on every so often, and it's really entertaining to watch, so I was just watching that. I've been watching podcasts all day. I actually don't like them, but for some reason I fell into the trap today. But anyways, the 15 minutes are up, and I want you guys to comment down below what my skin looks like. Does it look plump? Does it look glowy? Let me know right now. What do you guys think? Does my face look glowy? I think it looks okay, you know? My favorite mask right now, sheet mask, is the snail mask. I did a review on it. If you guys are interested in that, in intense hydration, I highly recommend a snail mask. It's really good, but I personally like the Double Dare Spa snail mask. It's the red one, so if you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it. It's in my skincare Sunday tab. I'm actually gonna go ahead and scrub my lips because we gotta do it all. And I'm using the Buxom Dragon Fruit Lip Scrub. This is a powerful, plump lip scrub. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just remove it with a cotton round. It just has water on it. And then I'm applying my Besame Mucho by Hey Honey, and this is their lip balm. And now folks, the moment we've all been waiting for. Remember how I said I was going to remove my bumps later on in the video? So I'm going to bring out my good old buddy. I've talked about this before in my channel, but I want to bring it up again. And this is a high frequency tool. So this actually helps with any acne. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles, and it just helps with overall texture on your skin. Every time I use it, my skin looks extremely glowy. So I actually want to do that. And I actually applied the hydrocortisone, and this is actually a prescription, but the hydrocortisone actually helps with the itchiness on my face. I have to say, now that I'm touching my face, it feels really smooth and baby-like. So shout out to these products for doing their job. They definitely came out to perform today. So I think my face is pretty much glowing. I don't know about you, but let me know in the comments down below. If my face is glowing, then go ahead and insert this emoji right here. Now I'm gonna turn on my high frequency, and I actually do this until my bumps go away. So if you leave this long enough, the bumps actually completely go away. You will still see it, but you won't feel it anymore. So that's what we're going for today. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on, and it does like a buzzing sound, and then the light comes through, which is like an orangey light, and it zaps your skin. It doesn't hurt, but it just definitely feels funny, and it smells really bad. So that's my only thing about this. Okay, so I just finished and my skin looks a lot more flat than what it was looking like before. So that is my little trick on how to get rid of your bumps on your skin as far as acne. And it really helps because right now it looks a little bit irritated, like way less than before, but when you wake up the next day, they kind of completely go away, and then you just kind of have like whatever is left there, but it's not huge big bumps and doesn't look gross as it normally does. That is it for today's skincare Sunday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button if you're not subscribed already. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you learned absolutely anything, or if you even didn't know who I was and now you do. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video, which will appear right here.